Today we are going to talk about upgrading. So why do we need upgrade our MikroTik router? We need upgrade our MikroTik router due to the reason is for getting new feature, for fixing some issue, right? So that we need upgrade our MikroTik router. So how to upgrade MikroTik router package now we should know. So first of all, let's log into the MikroTik router. Then just you can click system to package. Then you can click here check for update. Now we can see 6.45.6 already installed. Just let's click check for update. Now we can see install version is 6.45.6, but the latest version is 6.46.6. so now install 45 if and also available 46, so we can upgrade it, right? So just download and install, click, then you can say it's downloading, and finally it will reboot and we will check it's working or not. Now it's rebooting. Now we can see the latest version 6.4.6, also install version 6.46.6, right? So it's upgraded successfully. Thank you for watching.